are in heat mode. You see the status. We have the compressor running. So everything's doing really good there. We go back to our flow and detail, and you'll see that we have 34 liters a minute on C13. Go back to desktop. Let's check out our airs. We are clean and good. Come over here. Feel our little in-source pipe. We can actually feel the heat coming through. So flow is good. You can tell it's heating. So now we'll go back to where we're having some issues in the cooling mode. So we're going to go back to desktop, and we're going to go to settings, and we're going to type in our little password. So our YouTube, and then we're going to go into cooling mode. So we're now in cooling mode. Go to desktop. You can see the little snowflake means we're in cooling. See if we got any errors. You can see that's still clean. But let's see what we got in status. So it should be switching pretty soon here. Doesn't switch, I'm gonna end up, oh, there's the compressor's off, cool. So compressor is off, go to desktop, airs. You should see this little deal lights up with an air, so we're good there. Status. Let's go to detail. So our flow, it says we still have flow, but
Let's monitor that flow and see if it shuts down. It was before.
do you want to shut it, turn it off and back on, or just keep it
just
a straight
keep
switch?
it for a minute or two and see if it holds. Especially when the compressor turns on.
It's usually quicker if we turn it off and on, but no compressor yet. Does your other unit switch a little faster than this, or should we?
Once we got it going, but we didn't really run it through the paces as many times as this.
There it goes. We're dropping right there. We just went to 11.
Okay.
Now we're down to 1 and 0. So here we go there. Now let's go to air. Still no air. He wanted to see.
Let me
this.
go and I'm going to see if I can pull that sideboard off and see what that pump is doing.
No air. Still at 0. No compressor, no air. Still 0. No air. I'll get out of here. So we're still in cooling mode, but we did get in air now. So there's our P5. And the compressor never went on. There we go. So you can see, got the C13 0. We do have an air, indoor unit water, flow air. Yep. That's what we expected. Never saw that compressor turn on.